My name is Michaela, and this is my marketing plan for ABC Child Development Center. These are our business cards. We have our center logo, which is the 3 building blocks that say ABC. Underneath that is my name, since I'm the director. Then we have the address for our center, my phone number, and email. I decided to put my phone number and email because some parents prefer to call or text. And then other parents prefer just to email, so I added both. That way they could choose what's best for them and their schedule. I also made it colorful, just to grab attention. And then the colors also match the blocks from the logo. This is our brochure. At the bottom it has the name of our center and our logo, some pictures for parents to look at. And then in the middle it has the mission for our center. Our mission is to provide children and families with the best child care and educational experience in a safe, loving, and encouraging environment that not only meets the developmental needs of the children, but also their academic needs. Our center provides curriculum that is taught by certified teachers. And to the left, it describes what our center is about and where it's located. ABC Child Development Center was established in September of 2014 and is located in the downtown area of Richmond, Kentucky. ABC is a privately owned for-profit center that provides quality child care for children and families in the community. ABC is a stars-rated center with a 4-star rating. Our center includes a large indoor and outdoor play area. We have surveillance cameras all throughout the center, as well as in classrooms. We also have observation booths for parents to use during visiting hours. And then it goes on to describe the programs that we offer. We offer services for children ranging from 6 weeks to 6 years of age. These programs include infants, toddlers, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and after school. This is the second part to our brochure, and it just goes on to describe each program and what they offer, what they do in those classrooms. Our infants is for children ages 6 weeks to 1 year, and children in this room are on a daily schedule, and they do have circle time. Materials are changed out weekly based on the needs and interests of the children. Infants are encouraged to play, learn, and grow freely. In our 2s and 3s, these children are also on a daily schedule that is changed each week, and materials within the classroom are changed weekly based on the interest of the children. The same goes in 4s and 5s, except in this classroom, they are prepared for kindergarten. And then our after-school program is designed to provide care for children who are at least 6 years old. In this program, children can work on their homework, they can play, and they can just kind of relax and wind down from their day at school. And then it describes why we are a better choice. At ABC, we strive to provide quality child care for families and children in a safe, loving, educational, and playful environment. Our staff members are highly skilled, trained, and qualified to provide the best child care possible. We are a better choice. And this is our event. It is Open House Summer Celebration, and it will be held at our center. This event is being held to encourage family involvement within our center and parent community. There will be food, games, inflatables, and also an art show, so parents can walk around, see all of their child's artwork, and talk to their teachers. They can also talk to their teachers about their child's developmental progress, and this event will help transition the center into the summer session. This event is also open to new parents and families who are interested in our center and possibly enrolling their child for the next semester. This is our flyer for our event. It has the date, time, location, and just a little description about our event. It says, parents and families, we want to invite you to ABC's annual open house and summer fun event. Food will be provided. We just ask that you bring your own drinks. There will be games, inflatables, water balloons, and a chance to view your child's artwork and meet with their teacher. We can't wait to see you. This flyer will be put in mailboxes at our centers and local libraries and other businesses in the community, just so everyone knows about it, so they can come and have a good time. And this is our press release. It will be on radio stations, local news channels, social media, all of that. This is our program tagline. I have our center logo, which is the 3 building blocks, and then our tagline is a better choice. This is my marketing plan summary. It just describes each part of my marketing plan and what it does.